A garden is a fusion of light and air, earth and water. It's a living, breathing thing. A good gardener has to be mindful. You have to understand the interaction between all of nature's elements and what those mean for your plants. 18 months ago, I set out to create something that could change how people interact with their land, their plants, and their garden. Something that could help them better understand their environment, because understanding your environment is the first step to conserving it. I created a company called Eden, and this is our first product, the Eden Garden Sensor. Eden assesses soil nutrition in your garden, tracks how humid or dry it may be, the temperature, the kind of sunlight you're getting throughout the day. Then Eden takes all that information about your garden and cross-references it with meteorological data from the area you live in. Eden can tell you what type of fertilizer is best for your soil and what vegetables will thrive in it, when to plant them, and how often to water. And that advice isn't just based on generalities. It's based on what's happening in your garden right now. The end result is healthier, more sustainable plants, and hopefully, a deeper connection to your garden. It's really easy to overwater or underwater your garden. Our sprinkler systems just aren't that smart. We wanted to change that. This is the Eden water valve. It's a smart controller that manages your existing watering system. Unlike other watering systems, the Eden valve doesn't use a preset schedule. Eden knows exactly what your garden needs on any given day, and the valve automatically manages your sprinkler system to make sure your plants get precisely that. That means no more waste, no more underwatering, no more overwatering. Your plants get just what they need. If you're a novice gardener, we can help you grow something beautiful. If you're a master gardener, Eden can give you insight into what's happening beneath the surface of your soil. Minute changes in acidity and moisture, the kind of plant stressors that you wouldn't otherwise notice until it's too late. Together, we can take steps to change our food system for the better and make it more sustainable for generations to come. We're really excited to share Eden with you.
The Aqua House Hydrant is a revolutionary new type of outdoor faucet system that makes accessing your water easier than ever before. Forget the hassle of brass spigots. You'll never have to thread on your garden hose or deal with leaks and drips again. With the Aqua connector attached to your hose, simply plug into the house hydrant for instant water access. Water flow starts as soon as you connect. No wasted time. Just water when you need it. When you're done, just unplug and go. The water automatically stops when you disconnect, and the hydrant self-drains to prevent freezing. Aqua's patented twist lock connection system uses water pressure and high-performance O-rings to close the rear valve, creating a leak-proof seal every time. The house hydrant is made from marine-grade stainless steel and is built to last. The hose connector is DuPont Delrin, a heavy-duty polymer resin that's good for thousands of engagements. 2 levels of backflow protection are available, with 5 stem lengths to match your wall depth and 2 colors to match your home's exterior. Say goodbye to frustrating hose bibs and switch to an Aqua house hydrant today. We make products that you actually enjoy using. With Aqua, you'll save time and water.
This is the Weed Snatcher, the amazing new tool that quickly and easily removes weeds from cracks and crevices. Get rid of those unsightly weeds from sidewalks, driveways, patios, and wood decking in minutes, without using toxic chemicals that are harmful to the environment. You'll spend much less time doing yard work and more time relaxing. At the push of a button, the adjustable handle extends in length from 3 feet to 6 feet, making it easy and comfortable for both adults and children, with no bending over. The Weed Snatcher also comes with interchangeable heads. Change from the larger tip for sidewalks and driveways to the smaller tip for patios and decks. And it's so easy to use. A quick pass with the Weed Snatcher, followed by another with a broom, and you're done. You simply have to try it to believe it. Reserve your Weed Snatcher today.
One of the biggest problems for gardeners throughout the world is containing and disposing of hedge clippings. Cleaning up debris from a traditional hedge trimmer is a time-consuming chore, which means many gardeners often delay the inevitable, and hedges grow out of control. In addition, traditional hedge trimmers typically have an exposed blade, which is not only a safety risk, but is also off-putting to many people. This age-old gardening problem needed a unique solution. And so we developed the truly unique Garden Groom Safety Hedge Trimmer. The Garden Groom not only cuts and trims a wide variety and depth of hedge, but also shreds and deposits waste into its unique collection unit. This shredding action reduces the waste volume by 10 to 1, which makes the disposal of the hedge clippings a far simpler task, especially useful when cutting thorny or spiky growth. In addition, the shredded clippings are ideal for composting. The collection of the hedge clippings also promotes a much healthier hedge, as the dead waste is not left in the hedge. In developing our solution, we also placed safety as a major priority. The Garden Groom's patented handle arrangement requires a two-handed operation in order to activate the unit. Its totally concealed blade virtually eliminates the fear factor that many gardeners face when using conventional hedge trimmers. It also dramatically reduces the risk of cutting through the mains cable. For areas of large hedge growth, a convenient volume bag attachment has been developed and is fitted in the same manner as the standard container. A unique solution. Enhanced safety. A stunning design. Highly acclaimed. We're sure you'll agree, Garden Groom Safety Hedge Trimmer is a cut above the rest.
Rachio lets you take control of your watering. You can easily adjust your sprinklers at any time. Rachio waters just the right amount, and it won't water in the rain. So you can get the great yard you want while saving time and money. To start, Rachio is simple to install and easy to set up on the app. Customize your watering to your yard by plant type, soil type, sun exposure, and more. Then tap into Rachio's vast network of local weather stations to tune your watering to the latest forecasts. You're ready to take control. Keep an eye on your yard from anywhere. Rachio automatically checks weather forecasts and adjusts schedules for seasonal changes, colder temperatures, and rain, saving you up to 50% on your outdoor watering bill while helping save over 500 million gallons of water nationwide. And you'll know it works. Standards. So have time to enjoy that great yard without the wasted water or money. All with the control of Rachio.